Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Mission to Millions. If you're new here, please do subscribe to our channel for more videos and press the bell icon to watch our videos first. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how I record my YouTube videos, how is my YouTube video setup. I didn't wanted to invest much money in that, so I tried to reduce the cost. Whatever I brought, whatever things I bought, I just tried to use all the things which are available in my room, and I tried to make a small studio so that I can record my videos inside my room itself. So let's go to the video. So 5 things we need to record YouTube videos. Like if you don't have a studio and if you want to record it in your room, you need a small these 5 things in your room. So first one is you need a green background. Second one is you need lightings. Third one is you need audio recorder, and fourth one is video recording, and fifth one is you need a laptop to edit the videos. I'll tell you. First one is you need green background to record your videos, so that you can edit it, you can change the background. If you use another background, it's difficult to video will not come properly. So this is my green background. I just use this I brought this cloth for around 150 or something like that. I just brought this. You need a little bit thick cloth for this, and it should be plain, not be like, it should be plain. So that was the first thing, and I just attached it to my wall, so where I record my videos. That was the first thing. You can edit with the green background. Second one is for recording videos. I just use this my phone. Actually I use the phone which I'm using there, and I use this one. This is just a clip. I use this one. So like this, I'll just take this there's a chair in my room. I'll just take this and I'll keep it at this much height, and I record it. Now actually I'm recording on that phone. This is just to show you how I record. I'm just showing this to how I actually don't record with this phone. I use this to record only audio, and for video I use the other phone. That was the how to record the video. And you can keep this. I use these chairs and my pillows in my room to record it. I keep it at this much of height and I record it. So that was how I record my videos. And third one is how I record audios. So for recording audios, you need a microphone. You need a microphone. Also this one, I use this one. I brought this for 200 from Amazon, and you can buy it. You can buy it, and you can use earphone if you have. And I record audio and video separately. And first I use this app RegForge to record audio. I record it in that app, and then I take it out and I merge with the video. That's how I record audios. That was the third thing. And the next one is how do I do lightnings. For lightnings I use this one, simple setup. I did it. This one I brought it from the market, which for 10-15 rupees. And this is butter paper, which is we use this light for even distribution. If you use just bulb, no, you cannot. You'll feel that shades back in the background. So I use this butter paper. You'll get it for 4 rupees or 5 rupees max. And this is just a wire, and I just for connection I use, and bulb is there inside. So I just keep this here. There's a chair over here. I just keep it here, and so that it will be focused on my face. And there's one more light in the background, which is as usual we use in the room. That is light to oral lighting, and this is for focusing on my face. So that is lightning. And and the last thing is editing. For editing I use this software called Filmora. You can also use this one. And if you don't know anything in the software, you can directly go to YouTube and search. There are so many videos on how to edit in Filmora, how to change the background in Filmora. You can watch all these videos, and that will be really helpful for you. And that's how my YouTube setup looks. And I just spent less than 300 like that to all this setup. And you can actually reduce the setup if you want, like a bulb and all, which is all already there in the room. You can just use that, and this green background and all, you can, or if you have the cloth in room, that is good for you. I hope the video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take care of yourself and take care of your parents.